Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for a New Zealand visitor visa step by step as a family. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And I want to clarify that neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So this video is totally based on my knowledge and research, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Also, the sample data you see in this video does not belong to any real person. And let's proceed. Okay, too much of clarification. Fine. So the first step is to log in into this official immigration website using Realme. So if you haven't created the login, you gotta start from here, but I have, so I'm gonna begin here. And after going in, I'm gonna click on my visas, and from there I'm gonna begin the process. I went inside and I click on apply for a visa. I'm gonna select temporary. So let's say you and your partner, a family, a couple, are applying to visit New Zealand. Okay, for the sample case, are you outside New Zealand? I select yes. What type of visa? Visitor. Are you citizen of Australia? So I select no, but you may not even need a visa based on your nationality. So I select tourism on holiday, vacation, and then I'm going to click on start my application. So here visitor visa, you see it's created now for the primary applicant, and you want to add another applicant like your partner, so you get this option. So I click on add applicant. Okay, applicant has added successfully. Perfect. Now we have two applicants created under this application. Now we are going to continue with one of each of them. So let's begin. So let's go with principal applicant first. I click on continue. One very important thing over here that some people ask, it's not uncommon, that what if you just got one name in your passport? So for New Zealand this is called mononym. So they are asking, this is your official name is one name, answer no if you have first name and surname displayed in your passport. So what happens if I select yes? Let's see, name. So you can put that here, and then you will get application like this. So I think this is going to help a lot of people, those who do not have surname displayed in their passport. But if you select no, that means your first name, last name both. But if you can select this, it will be like mono name. So this is how they treat, and this is going to help you a lot. So I'm going to put some sample, guys. So name details, it's very simple. Country previously applied, I select like, you need to put as per your situation. I'm gonna put some sample passport, birth details, their citizenship, no, contact details, save and continue. Okay, I'm gonna put some sample details, and if you see, like, we have health character relationship, supporting documents, review and declare. Alright, so I'm gonna put some sample, and see, you have to provide your photo also, and as per their requirements. So make sure you meet these, and then you upload. The next step is like a purpose of visit. Why are you visiting? So financial support, do you have prepaid accommodation, do you have at least available for each person, travel will you provide, your stay estimated date, parent, and then we can click on continue. So I'm going to put some sample here. You need to provide as per your case. Character details. Have you ever been convicted? I select no. Under investigation, expelled, refused. You need to do as per your case and provide details. Next is health. Do you have tuberculosis? No. Whatever is applicable in your case, you provide. How long? 1 month or less. In this case, like 1 month. Whatever is applicable in your case. Employment history, current employment, select yes. Providers of current was start date. So let's say he started, I'm just going to put some sample, guys. This is like very simple about your employer details, sample and all. So I'm just gonna put some sample. Next is relationship detail. What is your relationship status? I select married. Is your partner yes? Contacts in New Zealand, I select no. Whatever is applicable in your case. Immigration assistance. Are you completing this form on behalf of someone else? No. So let's read it carefully. Are you completing this form on behalf of someone else? You are only completing this form on behalf of someone else if you are not included in the application. Select no if you are applying for a visa for yourself and I have included additional people. Perfect. Advice. Have you received assistance? I select no. It's doing on own. Next come is supporting documents. You must upload the following documents, okay, and each should not exceed 5 MB. All the documents you intend upload in English. Yes. If you select no, what happens? Then you need to provide, I think, certified translation also. Okay, perfect. But I select yes. So you have everything, whatever you selected. Declaration. So I'm not gonna go in declaration and all. And then the way you saw initially, I went for principal applicant from the main page. After you are done here, you need to do for the partner also in this phase. So I hope this is clear now. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.